Alright, it's now Saturday. We're racing tomorrow, and I still need to attach the clutch cable since it fell off the pedal. Hopefully it'll be an easy fix, and then we can adjust the pedal and we can start her up and everything will be good to go. You know, you can never quite count on nothing going wrong, so we'll see what happens.
Oh, that's for the brakes. Big old wiring harness. Oh, is it way over there? I don't know if you can see that. It might be way up there. Can you see that moving over there? I think it might be up here. Oh, okay, I see the end of the cable. It's right here. Okay. Okay. Cable needs to go en route to that. Okay. Well, I can see it. I can see what I need to do, but I do not know if I can reach it, if I'm honest. Let's see if I've got some like extra long pliers or something that might work. Side bolsters make it a pain in the butt to get in and out of the car, and also make it a pain in the butt to lean under the dashboard. So these are the longest needle nose I've got, and they're not anywhere near long enough to do this. Okay. Okay. Well, I know what I need to do. Okay. I think if I undo the clutch cable at the bottom and I can get more length up here, maybe I can get it to slide into its position if I have lots of extra cable. If I could move, what is this, part of the heating system? The foot heater probably. This needs to go up and over this quadrant, which allows it to go smoothly. Be nice if I could have two hands, but this position is so awkward. Now, can I reach the clutch cable without jacking the car back up? I don't think so. Okay. I'm gonna pause you for the moment. I might ask Chloe to do this because she's got small hands. See if she can get up in there. Alright, Chloe couldn't reach under there either. So I'm gonna take the seat out, and then we're gonna see if we can get some better leverage on there, or maybe we'll have to take some of the dashboard out. We'll see. Either way, first thing is the seat's gonna come out so that we can at least then it's not in the way. Alright, before we tackle this again, I'm gonna jack the front of the car back up, and I'm gonna loosen the clutch cable. So if we loosen the clutch cable, we'll get
hopefully a lot easier access to pull the clutch in, or the cable from the inside in slightly, get it to where it needs to go, and then pull it taut on the outside.
So I don't think you can see most of what I'm doing, so let's try to get you that. You can see the quadrant right at the top, and the cable is flopping down there. Hopefully this is at least somewhat entertaining, as it's probably just going to be me mucking about trying to get this up and over there. While also not being able to see what I'm doing. Huh?
You want me to try?
I'm gonna try first. I can see it easily when I can lay down in here. It's not comfortable because there's studs right here. Oh, come on, baby. Can you reach the clutch and pull it up? Oh, I got it in. Push it down. Oh, yeah. Is that in? Can you hand me the light so I can see? All right, that looks in there to me. Now we gotta go back under the car, and we have to tighten the cable underneath until it is taut, which I'll take you with me this time.
Do you wanna?
All right, we're back under the car. Right here is our clutch cable that now we just need to tighten until it's fairly taut, and then put this lock nut on the other end of it, and we should be good to go. Step one, of course, find an appropriately sized wrench. Bigger than that. "13 millimeters. So the first thing we're going to do is just tighten this down. We want it to be taut, but not tight, because we don't want it to engage the clutch, but we don't want it coming loose or anything like that. Okay, a couple more turns, and I think that'll do it. Because I don't feel any play in that whatsoever. Okay. Lock nut. Okay, let's go test the old brake pedal and see how it feels. Brake pedal feels good. Feels actually a little harder than it used to be. I wonder if that's a result of the changes that we made, or it could just be because I'm not actually sitting in the car. So let's put the seat back in. Yeah, let's put the seat back in and let the car down, and then start it up, see what happens. Oh, I'll put you back over here. I'll put you back over here. You've seen me change seats before, though, so this is nothing new.
It is.
So I'm not worried about it. Because I really don't want to put extra tension on the clutch cable just so I have a shorter throw, because that's going to put pressure on the pressure plate, which I don't really want to do. So, great news. It seems I have managed to do everything correctly, which is great. So now we can go racing tomorrow. And obviously we're going to bring you along because that's exciting. And we'll see you then. Actually feels quite smooth. It does feel a little tougher right at the top. By tougher, I mean you have to push it harder, but it feels smoother. So I don't know if maybe just the throw bearing has been bad for quite a while.
I mean, it has. It's been bad since we bought it.
Yeah, but it hasn't. Yeah, you're right.
It obviously got much, much worse.
Slipping, so that's good. Clutch isn't slipping, which means that I've adjusted the cable appropriately and I haven't put extra pressure on the pressure plate.
Good.
yeah, I'm really happy with that.
Success. Anything else?
Have a nice day.